Top 3 common PC problems beginners face and how to fix them. New to computers? Experiencing problems like black screens, freezes, or PC crashes? Don't worry. Today I'll show you 3 common issues and how to fix them step by step. Problem 1. Black screen. Step 1. Turn off PC and unplug. Step 2. Remove RAM, clean dust from RAM and ports. Step 3. Reinsert RAM, power on, test. Fun note, your PC isn't dead, just a little sleepy. Problem 2. Freezing, lagging PC. Step 1. Check background apps, close unnecessary programs. Step 2. Clean temp files and run disk cleanup. Step 3. Restart and check performance. Fun note, no more frozen screens like ice cubes. Problem 3. PC won't boot. Startup issues. Step 1. Check power cable and power supply. Step 2. Reset CMOS, BIOS if needed. Step 3. Remove external peripherals and try booting again. Fun note, it's like giving your PC a little wake-up call. Quick recap, black screen, check power and reseat RAM, freezing, close background apps and clean temp files, won't boot, check power, reset BIOS, remove peripherals, and retry. If this helped, like and subscribe for more PC fixes. Comment below which problem you face the most.